Glenn Lee Beck is an American conservative political commentator, conspiracy theorist, radio host, and television producer. He's the CEO, founder, and owner of Mercury Radio Arts, the parent company of his television and radio network TheBlaze. He hosts the Glenn Beck Radio Program, a popular talk radio show nationally syndicated on premier radio networks. Beck also hosts the Glenn Beck television program, which ran from January 2006 to October 2008 on HLN, from January 2009 to June 2011 on Fox News, and currently airs on TheBlaze. Beck has authored 6 New York Times best-selling books. In April 2011, Beck announced that he would transition off of his daily program on Fox News but would continue to team with Fox. Beck's last daily show on the network was June 30, 2011. In 2012, The Hollywood Reporter named Beck on its Digital Power 50 list. Beck launched TheBlaze in 2011 after leaving Fox News. He currently hosts an hour-long afternoon program, The Glenn Beck Program, on weekdays, and a 3-hour morning radio show. Both are broadcast on TheBlaze. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.